Lamborghini is one of the very best supercar manufacturers in the world. They made some of the coolest and best-sounding engines in the world. But, due to the regulations imposed by the European Union, all the manufacturers have started to give their iconic cars smaller engines and hybrid technology. Lamborghini is not so different from other manufacturers. They recently launched their all-new Revuelto. It is their first production PHEV. The hybrid version of their SUV is also on the way to be released soon. Their entry-level supercar Huracan is also ready to be replaced by their all-new hybrid supercar. In this video, we are going to talk about that car. But, before we start, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to turn on the notification to be notified when I upload a new video. So, let's start. Lamborghini brought out their first V10 engine in 2003 with their all-new entry-level supercar Gallardo. This car was the baby brother of Murcielago, which had a V12 engine. Then Lamborghini launched Huracan after the bigger and flagship Aventador, with a V10 engine. But, recently, emission restrictions are forcing car manufacturers to make more electric cars. Let's take a close look at some of the specifications of the new Lamborghini. Unlike the other baby Lamborghini supercars, this car is going to have the biggest change. From this car, Lamborghini will not make their baby supercars with a naturally aspirated V10 engine. This car will have a twin-turbo V8 engine with either a single electric motor at the rear or the same triple-motor setup like the all-new Revuelto. This car falls in the category of McLaren Artura and Ferrari 296 GTB. Both the car is powered by a smaller 2.9-litre twin-turbo V6 engine and an electric motor. The Revuelto is in the category of Ferrari SF90. But, the 296 is the smaller brother of that car, just like the Lamborghinis. Also, the design of the car is going to be very different from the Huracan. This car will have a single tailpipe, ducktail spoiler, smaller but similar side air intake like the bigger car, hexagonal front LED DRL, slimmer main headlamps, and obviously all the hybrid modes, latest infotainment display units and more. To keep the price down, this car could come with a rear-wheel drive only. The total power output is expected somewhere around 820 horsepower to 850 horsepower. Also, this car will be a little heavier than the current Huracan. Starting price will also be going to increase significantly. These are just some predictions about the all-new hybrid baby Lamborghini supercar that is set to arrive somewhere next year. That's all for today. Hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, give it a like and let me know about your thoughts. Also, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to turn on the notifications to be notified when I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Take care.